What is up with the game? Back again with another motherfucking update video. And now before we get into the video, I want to take the time out and say thank y'all for all the love and support that y'all sharing during these hard ass fucking times with all this fucking racism, coronavirus, you know, all this stupid shit with debate and all that stuff. I want to thank y'all for everything for you, what y'all been helping me with and helping supporting. And like, just know that the grind will never stop. And like, I'm still working on putting more videos out and everything else. So like, y'all not miss out on nothing else. I promise. New video will be up soon. I promise. Mythical Core Team Part 2, Episode 2. Y'all get ready for that shit. But like, back into the video, like I was talking about. Now, like, I got a special guest. He's coming in. We haven't done a video in forever. I feel like we haven't worked on a video together like forever. And like, he basically been helping me. My main supporter, you know, my boy, you know, somebody that I can count on. And I told her that we gonna do a video together. But like, he hopped on that shit. He played bed. Hell yeah, we're gonna do that shit. So like, I'm excited for that shit. And also, I'm thinking about how I want to do my videos. So I'm thinking like, one day I'm gonna drop a drawing video, and the next day after that, I'm gonna drop a 14 video. Basically give y'all two types of content that y'all basically can like enjoy, so y'all won't be waiting a whole nother motherfucking week for another fucking video to drop. Cause like, I also need to work on my own shit. I also need to get my own shit together too. Cause if I want y'all to fucking come and check out the fucking channel, I'm gonna do more shit than I'm doing. And I know I'm slacking. I wanna say I'm deeply sorry for that shit. And I want to say that I'm going to keep on struggling, I'm going to keep on going. And I promise, like, this is just the fucking beginning. I promise y'all, just the fucking beginning. And like I was saying though, like, it's just the beginning. There's so much other shit that's going to be happening, so much more stuff. I'm going to try to get more guests on, I'm going to try to bring more guests on the channel so y'all can get more of a mixed thing, you know, so you'll get some funny shit with some serious shit with a little bit of everything, you know what I mean? So y'all be prepared for that shit too. And also, what else? If y'all also if y'all want to also hit me up on social media, basically follow me on all my social media accounts, so y'all know, from update videos, from all that shit, from behind the scenes, from drawing videos to pictures to all that stuff. My Instagram, my Facebook, my Snapchat will be listed in the bottom of the comments, so y'all get ready for that shit too. And I'm also working on a few other stuff that I can't tell y'all about. It's secret, but it's coming. It's coming together pretty damn good. But I'm gonna need all y'all. I'm gonna need all the love. I'm gonna need all the support. And I want y'all to hit the hell out of that motherfucking like button. Smash the fuck out of that bell icon, so we can continue this bullshit, so we can continue this shit and continue to grow and show motherfuckers that we ain't stopping shit, that we got this shit going on. We ain't stopping to the fucking end. We got this shit. We got this. And it's not gonna take only y'all. It's gonna take me too. I'm gonna get to that point. But I'm gonna need y'all to, you know what I mean, support the channel. If you're new here, if you like the content so far, smash that damn like, smash that damn subscribe button. Smash that fucking shit. You know what I mean? Smash that motherfucking shit. I don't give a fuck, smash it. Share with y'all friends, you know, share with y'all family. We want this shit to be world motherfucking wide. All the way worldwide. You know what I mean? I want everybody, not just y'all, but I want everybody to be able to enjoy the content and everything I post. And like, I mean, we working on so much other shit, and everything just coming together. And I love how everything just slowly rising. And I got another fucking subscribe for y'all. Another fucking subscribe. Now we're almost, the total views for the channel is almost at 10,000 views. And like, let's go. Let's run this shit up. And also, motherfucker, we still got a long way to go, but we at 907 fucking views for Trippie Redd. So let's also get that motherfucking video up. And like I was saying, we got so much shit going on right now, so y'all not missing out on shit. I post everything. I cannot wait to share everything with y'all. Y'all basically been my backbone. I love y'all with all my heart, like for real. Like, I love y'all. Like, y'all basically help me grow, and I can't be nothing but thankful for y'all. So like I said, this is the end of the video. But like I was saying, Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that motherfucking bell icon for more motherfucking content. I love y'all. Peace.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot.